cheating?
yeah, there's this.
Oh,
But why are we
man.
shocked, guys? We all know that DJs cheat. I mean, like,
How Sol, you are cheater when?
Hi.
Much matter
Bro,
about
what
DJ
do you mean,
cheats.
dog? I'm a DJ, bro. Dude,
Hi, Bon.
nigga, stop DJ for 2 minutes and it's like, we know DJs cheat. Were you cheating when you were DJing the other year, last year?
no, before I got married, yes. Before I got married, I was a serial cheater.
For real,
Yes,
dog.
before I got
You were
married.
with a lady for so long before
President
you even
of
got
cheating,
married,
serial cheater.
MacGyver.
Mzansi Fashion Scenes, but today it's going to be Mzansi Gossip Scenes. There you go. There you heard it, guys. He only stopped cheating after he got married. He only stopped after he got married. Like, when did they get married? 2023, 2024. But it was not so long ago. It was not so long ago. Like, the excuse of saying I only cheated because the opportunity was there. We all know that South African men cheat. They cheat to the point whereby now, personally, I don't even know a faithful man, from my brothers to my friends to my uncles. They might not be like blatantly cheating, but we do know some of their side chicks. But for him to say I was cheating because the opportunity is there, like, now that is not an excuse. That is not an excuse. So my question is, if he never got married, if she never accepted the proposal for marriage, would he still be cheating? Did he stop because he got married, or did he stop because he no longer DJs anymore? So, which one is it? Did you stop because you wanted to, or did you stop because you got married, or did you stop because you stopped DJing? I mean, his wife has been through it in that relationship. Remember, in her YouTube days, she used to make story times about how he was busy with another girl while she was in the house at some point. But at least now, her vacation has paid off. Like, now, at least when she leaves, she's gonna leave with something because she's customary married to him. So, which means she gets 50% unless she signed a prenup. I don't know. But now she gets to live with something like the chillers punch money, the podcast money. Yeah, at least now she if she leaves, she's gonna leave with something. Her vacation paid off. Now she's crying. If she is crying, she's crying in a closet dress. You get, she gets to live the soft life, you know. But there's no excuse, man. Like, there's no excuse. Like, South African men just cheat for the mere fact of cheating. I don't get it. I don't get it. As a woman, you just need to do anything that is possible for you to do to protect yourself from getting diseases. Like, get the PrEP, condomize, like, just make sure that you protect yourself because South African men cheat. So tell me how you feel about the story down below, and we will chit chat later. So bye.